Hello everyone, this is Jankit from Kailasha Foundation Fun and Learn portal. We will learn algebra today and I'll start from the very basic, that is difference between variables and constants. So variables are those whose values are not known. Okay, and constants, we know the value no matter how complicated these are. We know their values. For example, this is something 2.718, that is irrational. You'll learn about this later. Okay, so this is in syllabus after class 10th, and it is used mostly in calculus. So it is possible that you might not be knowing this, but other than this, you know this is pi, this is root 2. It has a value 1.414 and approximately. So pi is something 3.14, and here it is 4 by uh, square root of 3.14. So the values. Yes, these are complicated, but the value of all these. So these are constants. But x, y, x square, x plus y, these are variables. But sir, in the given questions and exam, we always evaluate x, and it always comes with a value in the end. For example, x is equal to 5, x is equal to -3. So can we say that in those cases x is a constant? No, no, no. X is having different values at different times. That means it varies. Something which varies is a variable. Okay. Something whose value is not fixed, something whose value varies as per situation, that is variable. Okay. Now, now we learn about expression. An algebraic expression is a numbers combination of numbers and one or more than one variable. Okay, combination of numbers and one or more than one variable. One or more than one variable. Okay, for example, 2x plus 3, 3y square minus 6y plus 3, 3x minus y plus 5z. Here there is only one variable, that is x. We have only one variable, that is y. Here we have three variables, x, y and z. Okay, we'll learn about these squares and everything also later in this chapter. Now we learn about terms. How many terms are there in this expression? How many terms are there? So this must be very clear that there are not three terms, 2 and x and 3. No, there are only two terms in this expression, because terms are decided by plus and minus sign. Terms are decided by plus and minus sign. These are the operators which decide how many terms are there. Multiply and divide don't distinguish between terms. Okay, so there is one plus sign working as a separator. 2x is the first term, 3 is the second term. We have two terms. Here we have 1, 2 and 3 terms. 1, 2 and 3 terms. Okay, so at first we learnt about expression, and thereafter we learnt about term. Okay, now uh, let us clearly identify what our terms are. So in this expression, Our first term is 2x and second term is 3. In this expression, our first term is 3y square and second term is 6y. No, minus 6y. This term comes with this operator minus sign, minus 6y. Third term is 3. Okay. In this expression, first term is 3x, second term is minus y, third term is 5z. Okay. So now you must know that a sign just on the left side, that means a sign just before a term, is its symbol or is its sign. Okay. So the sign of 6y is not this plus sign but this minus sign. Okay. So what about this 3y square? If nothing is given here, then it is automatically plus by default. Okay. Now coefficient. Coefficient. A coefficient is a number that is multiplied with a variable or more than one variable. A coefficient is a number that is multiplied with a variable or more than one variable. For example, if we have 2x, then 2 is the coefficient. Okay. So in the expression 3x square minus 2x plus 1, the coefficient of x square is coefficient of x square is 3. Now tell me, what is the coefficient of x? What is the coefficient of x? What is the coefficient of x? Is it 2? No, minus 2. Minus 2. Okay. Now we learn about operations on algebraic expressions. Operations on algebraic expressions. Addition and subtraction. So let me be very clear that x can't be added to. X can't be added to root x, x square, 1 by x, x cube, y, xy, x power 5, etc. Okay. X can be added to only x. Okay. 2x plus 3x is equal to 5x. But 2x plus 3x square is nothing. You can't go further. You can't write a smaller thing. You can't write these as one term. Okay. It will remain 2x plus 3x square. It will remain as it is. Okay. 2x plus 3x is equal to 5x. 2x plus 3x square will remain as it is, because here you have x and x, but here these are two different things. X and x square can't be added. X can't be added to x square. X can't be added to root x, x can't be added to 1 by x, x can't be added to x cube. In fact, x can't be added to anything except x itself. Okay, same applies to y and so on. That is common sense. Okay, so you have to keep this in mind. Now let me show you addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. So let us start with an example. 2x plus 3y plus 5x plus 4y. The okay, this thing can't be added to this, it can be added to this. So 2x and 5x will be 7x. Now 3y and 4y are remaining, that will be 7y. For we can write this in a better way. Taking 7 as common, we can write 7x plus y. Okay. Now second example is here. 3x square plus 4xy plus 10z square minus 5x minus 4z square plus 3xz. Let us identify how many different things are here. So x square, xy, z square, x and xz. So x square will remain here. Okay. In fact, all these terms, let us first dissolve the brackets. It is 3x square, it is 4xy, it is 7z square. Thereafter, when minus sign applies to all these, it will become minus 5x. Here the sign will reverse, so it will become plus 4z square. It will be minus 3xz. Now, first is x square, and only this term is here, so it will remain 3x square. Now xy, same happens to this also, 4xy. Now z square, it is plus 7 plus 4, that is plus 11. Now x, only minus 5, so only minus 5. Now xz, only minus 3, so only minus 3. This is our final answer. Okay, so this is how we add and subtract algebraic expressions. If we have to subtract algebraic expressions, for example, we are given with 4x plus 3y minus 6xy minus 3y minus 13y minus 2xy plus 3x. First of all, we have to identify things and arrange these. So 4x 3y minus 6xy, we have to subtract is minus and plus. This is minus 3x minus 13y minus and minus, that is plus 2xy. This is only x. This is minus 10y. This is minus 4xy. So it is x minus 10y minus 4xy. X minus 10y minus 4xy. Okay. This is how we subtract algebraic expressions. Now let's come to multiplication. multiplication. 2x plus 3y multiplied by 5x plus 4y. Now multiplication is completely different. All terms will be multiplied to all terms. Remember, all terms will be multiplied to all terms. So first 2x. 2x will be multiplied to this and this both. So 2x into 5x plus 4y, then plus 3y into 5x plus 4y. This is the basic process of algebraic expressions multiplication. Okay, this is what 10x into x, that is x square, plus 2 fours are 8 xy plus 3 into 5, that is 15xy, 3 fours are 12 y into y square. Okay, xy and xy, 8 and 15, that is 23. So 10x square plus 23xy plus 12y square is our answer. Okay, now second example is 3x square plus 4xy plus 7z square times 5xy minus 4z square. First of all, 3x square will be multiplied to both of these, that is 15x square times, that is x cube y. Okay, this is multiplied to this, 3 5s are 15, x square times x is x cubed, and then y. Thereafter 3x square is multiplied to this, is a minus, is no minus sign, so plus and minus, that is minus. 3 4s are 12, x square z square. We are done with this. Now 4xy times 5xy, 4 5s are 20, both are plus, so plus 20 x square y square. Thereafter 4xy times this, there's a minus sign, so minus 4 4s are 16, x y z square, x y and z square. Okay, now we are done with this also. Now 7z square times 5xy, so plus plus, that is plus 35 xyz square. Now minus 28 z raised to the power 4. This is what? This is 19 xyz square. Because xyz square, xyz square is same, we can add or subtract these. Okay, we can't add anything else, we can add or subtract these. Okay, now everything else will remain as it is, 15x cube y minus 12x square z square plus 20x square y square. So this was plus, this was minus, 35 minus 16, that is plus 19, and now minus 28 z raised to the power 4. This is our answer. Okay, we can rearrange these also, we can accumulate, we can collect all the plus sign terms together and minus sign terms together. That's a way many people use. Okay, that's not necessary. Now let's move to division. Division. Let me show you how to divide algebraic expressions with an example. X minus 2 divides 3x square plus 4x plus 3. Okay, x minus 2 divides this 3x squared plus 4x plus 3. You have to focus on this and this. Okay, and remember, things must be always written like this only: x power 2, then decreasing x power 1, then x power nothing, that is x power 0, that is nothing. Okay, and in the divisor also x power 1 and then x power nothing. So x power, the variable power, must be written in such decreasing order. And here I am telling you division of algebraic expressions, or I can say division of polynomials. I'll tell you what polynomial is. Division of polynomials uh, in one variable. Okay, so I must tell you, you can't write like this: 3x minus 4x cube plus 7x to the power 5 minus 28, and then you are dividing by 2 minus x. No, this is not advisable. You have to bring it here, then this will be the next, and thereafter this, and then this. Okay, so x powers must be in decreasing order. Okay, this must also be minus x plus 2 for uh, appropriate division. Okay, so these are the basics. You have to focus on this and this, the first one in both. Now what you have to do to make this 3x square, you have to multiply this by 3x. You have to multiply this by 3x. So you will multiply this entire thing by 3x. So the quotient here will be 3x. Now when 3x is multiplied to x, it multiplies to minus 2 also. What do we get? We get 3x square minus 2 times 3x, that will be 6x. Okay, 3x multiplies x and 3x multiplies minus 2. When 3x multiplies x, we get 3x square, and thereafter when it multiplies with minus 2, we get minus 6x. Now we subtract. That means this. What do we get? This will become minus and this will become plus. So this is cancelled out and this is 10x. Thereafter this 3 we take it down. Okay, now we focus on this and this, just like before. What you have to do to make this 10x, we just have to multiply it by 10. So 10 10 will be multiplied to both, not only x but also to minus 2. It is 10x minus 20. Now when we subtract, what does it become? It becomes minus 10x plus 20. Yes, this is the secret of sign change while subtraction. Okay, and this is 20 plus 3, that is 23. So if you know the rule, you must know the rule: dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend is this: we must try divisor into quotient plus remainder. If we get back this, then our process is appropriate. So divisor into quotient plus remainder, 3x square plus 10x minus 6x minus 20 plus 23. Okay, this is plus 4x, 3x square plus 4x minus 20 plus 23, that is plus 3. So yes, our division is correct. Okay, our division is correct. So now we move on to another example. Mm, sorry, x plus 1 divides x square plus 2x, sorry, x cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 4. We focus on this and this, x square, x cube plus x square, because x square is multiplied to both x and 1. It is x square plus 3x plus 4 now. Okay, now we focus on this and this, so it is x times x, that is x square. Now x into 1, that is x, 3x minus x, that is 2x. We take 4 down. Now we focus on these two, so we have to put 2 here. It is 2x plus 2. When we subtract, we get 2 as a remainder, and this is our quotient. Okay, so this is division. Now I'll tell you what is polynomial. And thereafter we'll conclude this lecture here. This was the basic lecture of algebra. I'm telling you what is polynomial. Poly means many. So an algebraic polynomial is an expression of many terms, that is more than one term. Okay, and it is not this definition is not sufficient. More than one term, but uh, polynomial is an algebraic expression which consists of many terms involving different powers of variable. 5x minus 5 is a polynomial. X square plus 5x plus 6 is a polynomial. 1 by x plus 3x is not a polynomial, because the powers of x must be uh, either 0 or positive integer. That means the powers of x must be whole numbers. Powers of variables must be whole numbers. Okay, x cube plus x square minus 24 is also a polynomial. A general form of polynomial is a n x raised to the power n plus a n minus 1 x raised to the power n minus 1, so on, a 3x cube, a 4x power, sorry, a 2x square, a 1x, and a naught. Okay, these an minus 1, a3, a2, a1, a naught, these are not a naught. These are coefficients. I just told you a few minutes ago about coefficients. Okay, so these are real numbers, and all powers of x, these are variables. N is a non-negative integer. N is a non-negative integer. In fact, this also can be expressed in this form: 1 into x cube plus 1 into x square. There is no x power 1. We can write 0 into x power 1 plus minus 24. So this is 1, this is 1, this is 0, and this is minus 24. X power 3, x power 2, x power 1, and no power of x. This is how we see polynomials. Okay, So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any feedback, you can tell us on WhatsApp 8294600829. This video was meant for CAT and SSC. All other students can also be benefited from this video. This was a very basic lecture of algebra, and so thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Happy learning. Bye bye. Thank you so much.